Hey guys, wanna know how to generate or make LUT or LOT in DaVinci Resolve? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first off, simply open up any clip and drag and drop it to the timeline. And once that is done, now hit towards this color tab on the bottom right here. Just simply click on it. And now right here, there are various color editing options you can choose from. Now you can just edit as you want. Go for various options, and then once you're done with that, right here on the left side you can see this clip thing right here. Now just simply left click on your clip, and then right here you can see generate LUT. Click on it and then select 33 point cube or anything that you like. Now once that is done, save it to any way you like, maybe somewhere easy. So just simply select save, and there you have it. Now your LUT has been generated and saved, super simple and easily. Now in order to import, just simply hit towards the gallery and then select import. Now just simply hit towards the file you had saved and import your LUT. Super simple and easy. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.